So today is a big day because it's a day where we have a huge festival around research that collects all the contribution of many researchers from all around Milan and the Milan institution, Milan universities. Bocconi is one of these institutions that has a lot to contribute on in terms of research. So we have two main pillars. One is related to sustainability, to the area of sustainability, and the other one to care for people and in particular for health. There is a lot of research that analyzes how sustainability and sustainable decisions allow basically all citizens to live in a better world. And of course, Bocconi has a say into that. We have a lot of research on ocean, on green economy, on sustainability in many choices from the company point of view. And this is important because, of course, it allows us to measure the impact of each single decision on what happens at an economic level, but also allows us also to somehow influence and support institutions in their policy making. On the other side, on the Care to Action project, we focus specifically on health in many different ways. On the one side, we have a group that work on large data, on computer science, in order to support research in health, to understand and to make a better decision for disease, and of course to anticipate basically like the understanding of the disease, but also eventually to understand how to fight the disease in the best way possible.